Isang mapagpalang Sabado mga katebes! Welcome back here at Teba Salon and Spa, and we are open today from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And today, dumating na ang schedule natin ng Amazon Flowers and Hair Color. At dumating na din ang schedule natin ng Ipanema Virus Store at gusto din magpakulay ni Madam kaya pinapili namin siya ng hair color na gusto niya. And after this, merong nag-walk-in sa atin ng Brazilian Blowout Hair Treatment. At syempre, nagpalinis na din at nagpagawa na rin sila ng nail spa sa ating Tebes Spa Beauty and Wellness. At habang busy ang team Tebes Salon sa baba, eto kami at nagmi-makeup kay Doktora. For principal sponsor ang ating makeup. Yan, napakaganda ni Doktor at napaka-generous. For our second client na makeup, Dr. Dimapelix, for wedding sponsor din siya. Then after ng babad ng ating Ipanema Virus Store, sinimulan ng ating Team Tebes ang pagpaplansya at meron din tayong schedule sa Tebes House of Beauty for facial and manicure pedicure. Yan, pwede nyo pong gawin yan mga madam. Sabay na po ang facial at manicure pedicure. And also yan, natapos ng ating Amazon Flowers at you can see the result. Super shiny, perfect smooth, permanent organic straightening. At meron din tayong schedule ng two-tone hair color. After ng bleach, pinatungan na natin ng passion color and look at that result. Ash blonde hair color. And also this, the final result ng ating organic permanent hair straightening Ipanema Virus Store. So mga katebes, what are you waiting for? Visit us now!